Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to do the most voted video, iOS tips and tricks. Please be sure to leave a like, subscribe and to tap the ring bell icon because I really appreciate your opinion. The first tip, how to enable battery percentage on your iPhone. Okay guys, as you can see, my iPhone has the battery percentage on it, and how to do it. Well, we have to go to settings, to battery, and as you can see here, you can enable or disable it. Okay, here we go. So let's go to the next trick. Second tip, how to set up back tap. Let's get into it. Hey guys, we use our iPhones, but how to use even their back for something useful like screenshot or things like that? Well, we need to go to settings, we need to go to tab, okay, touch. So here we have the accessibility. Okay, we need to go to touch, scroll down, back tap, and here we have, if we want to double tap and to take screenshot, we can do that, or we have even different options like non-accessibility and all these other ones, which is cool. And for triple tap we can choose whatever we want. Let's go to the next one. Third tip, how to set up custom icon at the top of the notification. Okay guys, well, I'm even a student now for computer engineering, and as you can see, I have this cool one that we all know if you're a programmer. Well, I have even that the same here on my Mac, and how I have set it up is so cool and simple. Okay, from the focus, okay, let's go to new focus. You can set this even on your Mac. Okay, custom. Here you have name your focus. You can name it whatever you want with this whatever cool thing that is. So yeah, if you are a doctor, you can go this, I don't know, or restaurant time, I don't know. There you have it, then the name. Let's tap restaurant time. Okay, let's return. We can go next, restaurant time focus, and you can customize it however you want for your needs. I have it set on my programming time because, well, you can set whatever you want. But here, if we go to restaurant time, now we can see a cool logo up here with whatever icon you want. Okay, let's go to the next one. Fifth tip, how to use power button in a more usable way. Hey guys, well, sometimes you can't read something on your iPhone, and how to make it closer. Well, you can enable zoom mode. Okay, here we have the slider. You can magnify it in a way. Well, how to do that and how to set it up in a more efficient way, your side button. Well, we need to go to accessibility. You need to go to where it is, just to find it here, accessibility shortcut, and you can add different types of things that you can use, like reduce transparency, reduce white point, and things like this. This was a cool tip. Let's go to the next one. Sixth tip, copy paste from your iPhone to Mac. Now let's say you want to copy paste something from your iPhone to your Mac or any or even iPad. Okay, let's say you select it, you tap copy, then here we can tap Command V, which is for pasting. So it's pasting from iPhone, and you can see. So please subscribe, okay? You subscribe, okay? As you see, you subscribe. Please subscribe. It's the same thing. So I think you know now something cool how to copy and paste from your iPhone to your Mac. This is cool even for pasting even photos, even photos. So cool to know it. And please subscribe. Seventh tip, use your iPhone camera for video calls on Mac. Okay guys, we all know that iPhone camera is really good, but how to use it, how to connect it with your Mac for using it for different purposes? Well, it's pretty simple. Okay, well, let's say for photo boom, we want to go, just to remove my face so you won't be able to see it, you have to go to camera. Okay, and here you have FaceTime camera and my iPhone camera. Eighth tip, multiple photos at once. How to select them. Okay guys, well, we might want or need to select multiple photos at once. So how you do it, you select one, then with another finger you select as much as you want, and you can copy paste all of them. Let's go to the next one. Ninth tip, how to convert data, measurements, currency, etc. direct. A cool feature on iPhones is that you can see or convert things. Okay, so let's say here we have 5 feet. I want to see how much is in centimeters. Well, you need to go here and you can see it's 1.52 meters or 152.4 centimeters. You can do that even with kgs. Okay, 69 kgs. Yep, or 125 pounds to how much kgs is. So let's go to the next one. And the 10th tip is how to use two-finger select. Okay guys, this is one of the coolest and the best features that Apple has introduced to us, and that is double finger select. Okay, in place of doing tapping select, edit, or whatever, now you can just double tap and you can select or unselect as much as you want. Okay, so yeah guys, here were some of the best tips and tricks for iPhone. If you want a part 2 for this video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, to tap the ring bell icon, and to let me notify it in comments. See you in the next video. Peace!